Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to check SSD in Lenovo laptop. This method is quick, easy, and works on most Lenovo laptops. First, right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. Now, click on the Performance tab. On the left side, select Disk 0. At the bottom, you'll see the type of storage installed in your laptop. If it says SSD, then your Lenovo laptop is using a solid-state drive. If it says HDD, then your laptop has a hard disk drive. You can also see the total storage capacity, such as 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB, along with the current disk usage and read-write speed. That's how you can quickly check the SSD in your Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss more Lenovo laptop tips and tutorials.